Yeah, keep his name alive, man. I talk to BG all the time, and BG in good spirit. Matter of fact, yesterday he was working out and all that, so he been using the time to do stuff constructive. He's still been going to the studio. He's still been working out, exercising and all that, keeping his mind right. He don't like that he mentioning Telly Hankton and Mooney and all them and guys like that. No, BG didn't cooperate, and I guess by him talking about no snitching and all that, they got a personal, they're really pissed off about that.
I know you yourself was kind of sound in what was going on with BG, right? As far as home base, right? And so let's talk about that.
Well, I've been communicating. Me and David Hudson, like, you know, kind of help get some things done for BG or whatever. He was able to go visit the kids at the juvenile detention center, youth study, right there in the 7th ward. So that was really nice for BG to go talk to them and just tell them how to try to stay out of trouble. So we was able to do that. Then I was instrumental in helping them get on the news and all that stuff like that. So he was able to get on the news, tell his story. She'll kind of been wanting to interview him, and I got a relationship with BG, so I was able to help put that together for them to be able to do that. And he did the interview just to update everybody on his current situation legally, what he going through and stuff like that. So
and for those who don't understand that the weight of this and how much weight this carries as far as getting involved in his own career, let's talk about how heavy that is, man.
Right. Well, I mean, it's definitely tough for him, whatever. Now, I mean, he's been doing this since he was like 13, 12 years old. And that's how you been making your money or whatever. And now all of a sudden, you know, you did 12 years in federal prison. You know, you get out, you can't make no money or whatever like you want to. You know, they gotta see everything he do. So when he write a song, they won't read all his lyrics. He gotta turn all that over to the feds and stuff like that. You know, they tripping about it.
Wait a minute, wait. When he write a song, he have to turn it in before he record it?
Right, when he turn the song, and if he makes something new, they want to see all his lyrics.
Prosecutors have asked Christopher B.G. Dorsey to hand over the lyrics to his music as part of his probation.
So he got to show him his lyric sheet, everything. They got to know what he rap about. They don't want him rap about, you know, snitches gonna die, and they don't want him rapping about certain people. Like if he say something about Telly Hankton, he say something about Mooney, anybody that went to jail around the time he went to jail with, they get mad at him. So the feds got a strict thing on him, like kind of like pretty much like a muzzle. He can't really say nothing right now. So if he posts something on his Instagram and it's gangster content, but BG not a gospel singer, you know, he a gangster rapper.
Same gangster. Caution tape, white sheets, empty shell cases scattered everywhere. Niggas spent the bench at the block down, news stations out everywhere.
So he came home. He had been home all that time. Right. He had already started getting back to work. He was in the media like a motherfucker.
Right.
And then all of a sudden that happened.
Right.
So I'm saying, what was the trigger? Like, what did something happen? Did he make a song that
they say he wasn't. They say he wasn't checking in with the federal people in New Orleans and all that. But his federal parole officer in Vegas was saying he was in compliance. He was doing everything right. He was listening. When he going to the studio, he was doing that. He wasn't hanging out in the trenches. You know, he was in the suburbs, in a community that's quiet. He go work out. He go to the studio, and that's it. When he was doing the song with Gucci Mane, he had permission to do that. When he did the interview with Gucci Mane, he said he had permission to do that. Even when he was in the club with Boosie in Vegas, he said he had permission to do that. But they say he can't be around no convicted felon. But you got people like
Boosie is a convicted felon. Man.
Boosie convicted felon too, and he fighting the federal case that's pending right now too, and all that. So they was kind of tripping about that or whatever. But he was saying he was communicating with.
And that's 2 times as well, right?
Finesse 2 times too, whatever. But it's like they going hard on BG. I don't know if there's some New Orleans stuff or Louisiana. But this man is an entertainer. Christopher Dorsey, you know, the man, but as an artist, a performing artist, he BG, and he the baby gangster. I don't even want to say the prosecutor name no more because the man got that kind of power, whatever. No, I didn't say his name before, but I don't even want to say his name. But it's serious, whatever, who he up against, whatever, and all that. And no, BG didn't cooperate. And I guess by him talking about no snitching and all that, they got a personal. They're really pissed off about that. You know.
So what does he go from here, from this to? What does he have to do in order to get back?
What I think he got to do is let the stuff play out in the courts and see how that go out.
Which could take years, huh?
Well, hopefully it don't take. I don't think it's gonna take no years, whatever. Hopefully the judge made a decision and it be in the right favor of BG to kind of loosen up the restrictions a little bit. Like I said, we riding with BG, bro. Like I said, BG put on for the city so long and held it down, so we gonna represent for him, whatever. So everybody ride with him, and we feel like his legal team gonna get what they need to get done so he could get back to working and doing what he do as an entertainer and entrepreneur.